In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for beginners. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Monday.com homepage where you can access your main workspace. Open your workspace so you can see the boards and tools connected to your team or projects. From there, choose an existing board if you want to work with something that's already set up, or create a new board if you're starting from scratch. If you create a new one, enter a clear name for your board. This is important because a good board name makes it easier to recognize its purpose later. Next, choose the board type you want to use based on how you plan to manage your work. Now begin adding items to the board. In Monday.com, items represent the actual things you want to track, such as tasks, projects, leads, or any other type of record. In the first column, enter a name for each item so everything is clearly labeled and easy to identify. After that, add and customize columns to track the information that matters most to you. Common examples include status, owner, dates, priority, and timeline. These columns help turn a simple list into a useful workflow tool. To assign responsibility, use the people column and select the team members connected to each item. To manage deadlines, set due dates using the date column. Then, as work moves forward, update progress using the status column so everyone can quickly see what's done, what's in progress, and what still needs attention. If you want more detail on a specific task or record, click an item to open its updates section. This is where you can add notes, upload files, and leave comments, making it a helpful place to keep all related communication in one spot. As your board grows, finding information quickly becomes more important. Use the search option to locate specific items. You can also use filter to show only the items you want to view, which is especially useful when focusing on one person, one deadline, or one project stage. Group by can help organize your board by status, owner, date, or other fields so your data is easier to review. You can also switch between available board views like main table, Kanban, calendar, timeline, or Gantt, depending on how you prefer to visualize your work. To save time, create automations by clicking Automate at the top of the board. You can also create integrations by clicking Integrate to connect Monday.com with other tools you use. From there, continue updating items and statuses as work progresses, and review your board regularly to track progress and manage tasks effectively. Thanks for watching.